So electricity is the energy that powers almost everything around us, your phone, lights, computers, and even trains. But what is electricity, really? Well, it all starts with atoms, these tiny building blocks of everything. Atoms have even smaller parts inside them, like electrons. When these electrons move, they create electricity. Imagine electricity like water flowing through a pipe. The water is the electrons, and the pipe is a wire. When we push electrons through wires, we get an electric current. This current is measured in amperes. The push that gets it moving is called voltage, and things that resist the flow, that's called resistance, measured in ohms. That's where our channel name ZeroToOhm comes from. There are two types of electricity: static electricity, like when your hair stands up after rubbing a balloon, and current electricity, the kind that powers your devices. Electricity is all around us, and though it's invisible, its impact is huge. Want to learn more about the science behind it? Subscribe to ZeroToOhm. Your journey from zero to understanding starts right here.